Hello everyone! Our topic for today is about outlining reading text in various disciplines. For today's objectives, you should be able to define outline and its uses, classify outlines according to content and format. Number 3, explain the outlining process and identify the components of an effective outline. And number 4, create an outline on a particular topic. Let's first identify what is an outline. An outline is the roadmap of your essay, a map designed by writers showing the flow of an essay. It is a strategy intended to achieve a particular goal. It shows what information each section or paragraph will contain and in what order. Many writers use an outline to help them think through the various stages of the writing process. An outline is a graphic scheme of the organization of your paper. It indicates the main arguments of your thesis as well as the subtopics of your essay. Most outlines use numbers and or bullet points to arrange information and to convey points. The bullets or numbers used in outline shows the main points and the subpoint of an essay. An outline of an essay can be very helpful for two reasons. Number one, an outline will help make your essay more organized. A careful plan will help your body paragraphs stay focused on the ideas in your thesis statement. In other words, by doing your outline, you can be sure that your essay is much organized or orderly, and you can stay focused on your thesis statement. Number two, an outline saves time for writers. Preparing an outline can take time, but when you are finished, you will be able to write the rough draft of your essay more quickly than if you didn't have an outline. In other words, it is much better to create an outline before writing your essay to save time and also not to miss the message you want to tell your readers. So this is an example of an essay outline, right? Next, let us now discuss the types of outline. Number one, topic outline. It is a tool used to organize written ideas about a topic or thesis into a logical order. It arranges major topics, subtopics, and supporting details. So this is an example of a topic outline. The ideas are well organized, logically arranged. Next, sentence outline. This type of outline is useful for outlining relatively simple subjects. An outline which uses a complete sentence for each item. This is an example of a sentence outline. You might ask, what is the difference between a topic outline to that of a sentence outline? A topic outlines are mostly written in words or in phrases, both the main topics as well as the subtopics. While sentence outlines, the subtopics and the main ideas are written in complete sentences. Number 3, paragraph outlining. This or paragraph outline. This outline is fitting for long papers whose individual sections can be summarized in whole paragraphs. So this is an example of a paragraph essay. This composed of a group of sentences. Next, alphanumeric outline. This is the most common type of outlining format which uses alphabets and numeral combinations. So this is an example of alphanumeric outline. So if you can see, it makes use of Roman numerals as well as alphabets and numbers. So the meaning of it actually is alphabet and numerals, short for alphanumeric. Next, decimal outline. It is similar in format to that of alphanumeric outline. The added benefit is a system of decimal notation that clearly shows every label of the outline related to the larger whole. A decimal outline is a form of outlining that shows how every part of a paper relates to the paper. It is very similar to alphanumeric outline, but differs in the sense that a decimal outline uses decimal outline to note headings and subheadings. The main heading is noted by a whole number, while a subheading is noted by a decimal that builds from the main heading. So this is an example of decimal outline. So if you notice, class, that all of these outlines make use of numbers. This is their similarities from one another. Next, brainstorming. It is the listing of all the ideas that you want to include in your paper. Whatever you think, whatever the messages you have, whatever the ideas you have in your mind that you wanted to integrate in your essay, you call that as brainstorming. Next, labeling outline, grouping related ideas together. Very simple. So this is an example of a labeling outline. There is the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. It is very much detailed. Next, number 9, ordering outline, which means arranging material in subsections from general to specific or from abstract to concrete. Right? So for your activity number 1, this is what you will do. I want you to compare and contrast the 3 types of outlines according to content using a Venn diagram. Write your answers on your notebook. So what's the difference between topic outline, paragraph outline, and sentence outline? What are their similarities? That's for activity number 1. For activity number 2, this is an example of an outline. What you will do is you need to arrange the following steps in writing an outline. Write the letter of the correct answer on a sheet of paper or on your notebook. So which do you think comes first? Is it letter A, letter B, letter C? Okay, all you have to do is to arrange them in chronological order or according to their purposes in an essay. All right? Next, for your assignment, this you have to write in a long bond paper. You shall pass it when we meet again, when face-to-face classes opens. Okay? So below is a concept map showing the common problems experienced by students. Your task now is to convert this graphic organizer into a topic alphanumeric outline. Just copy the terms and arrange them properly following the prescribed format. So you will be arranging the subtopics to that of the main topics. So you have to begin first with the main topics as well, and then followed by the subtopics. So this is your assignment. You have to write it in a long bond paper to be passed next meeting. All right, that's all for today. I just hope you've learned something new today, class. Good day, everyone. Bye.